Hello friends, as you know, the International Space Station is working since 24 years ago and NASA is planning to destroy it in 2030. Before demolishing the space station, NASA has selected Axiom Space, an American company headquartered in Houston, Texas, to design, build and launch 3 large pressurized modules and a large Earth observation window to the International Space Station. The Axiom orbital segment or Axiom segment are the planned modular components of the International Space Station designed by Axiom Space for commercial space activities. Axiom Space gained initial NASA approval for the venture in January 2020 and was later awarded the contract by NASA on February 28, 2020 superscript 2. This orbital station will be separated from the ISS to become a modular space station, Axiom Station, after the ISS is decommissioned. At least 4 Axiom modules will attach to the International Space Station. The first module is scheduled to be launched in late 2025 and would dock to the forward port of Harmony. Axiom Space plans to attach at least 3 additional modules to its first core module and send private astronauts to inhabit the modules. The company released preliminary plans in February 2020 for how the Axiom orbital segment could form the basis for the Axiom Station, a potential future space station, constructed out of the Axiom segment and additional elements upon ISS retirement and separation, including a power and thermal module with an airlock. The company plans to launch its first module to the ISS in 2025, with the second, third, and fourth launching in 2026, 2027, and 2028 respectively. The interior concept of the crew quarters of Axiom orbital segment was designed by French architect and designer Philippe Starck. Renderings of the habitat show a chamber with walls that are covered with tufted padding and studded with hundreds of color-changing LEDs. The Axiom orbital segment will have amenities including high-speed Wi-Fi, video screens, picture windows, and a glass-walled cupola, which Axiom calls the largest window observatory ever constructed for the space environment. Each Axiom station module is an independent spacecraft equipped with all the systems needed to maneuver in orbit, propulsion among them. NASA has already begun funding the ambitions of one company under a separate but related contract, having awarded Axiom Space with $140 million to build modules that will connect to the ISS. When the ISS retires, Axiom plans to detach its modules and turn it into a free-flying space station. This is an exciting development in space exploration and commercialization. It will be interesting to see how this new space station evolves over time. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel.